Great! A new customer. Hello! I'm Yani called Sayuno, but you may also call me Yana. I'm one of the owners who runs this store, also known as Lipids Store. From the name store, I'm sure you already know what kind of products we sell here. That's right, it's lipids. But if you're still wondering, lipids are...
Hello, dear customer. I am Siendo, but you can call me Andrea. And I am also one of the owner of these stores. If you are wondering, well, lipids are one of 4 major classes of biomolecules, alongside with carbohydrates, protein, and nucleic acid. They are only biomolecules that is not considered as polymers because they are not built from monomer. They are also biomolecules known for being insoluble and hydrophobic in water, but soluble in non-polar solvents. In our society, they are commonly known as fats. And you might be asking, Andrea, are fats bad to our body? Well, they are if you consume without moderation, just like any other products. Moreover, not all fats are bad, and it plays an important role to our body.
And the following functions of the lipids in our body are 1. Storing and releasing energy. 2. Making up semi-permeable membrane of the cell. 3. Providing starting materials for formation of hormones and vitamins. 4. They are also used as mechanical protection for the internal organs of the body. In addition, they are also served as waterproof from some animals and plants.
Did you know that there are 3 types of lipids? Come on, let's explore and enlighten you to different sections of our store. The first one is fats and oils, which are most abundant category of lipids. They're also called triglycerides or triacylglycerols because they are formed from the reaction between 3 fatty acids and glycerol backbone. Even though they are physically different, their molecular structure are similar. At room temperature, fats exist as solids, while oils are liquid form.
Also, fats and oils, or also known as triglycerides, have 3 subtypes, and they are saturated fats, unsaturated fats, and trans fats. And I know you're already familiar with some of them, as they are often seen in the nutritional value of a product, especially if they're sealed. So, what's the difference between the 3?
Here we have a structure of 3. What did you notice about them? Did you notice their differences? Well, as you can see, they're saturated are bent unlike unsaturated fats, which make them easily be crowded by molecules. That's why saturated fats commonly appears to be solid, just like butter.
As for unsaturated fats, as you can see in the structure, they are bent because of double bonds, which makes them hardly be crowded by molecules. That's why unsaturated fats often appear in liquid state, just like oils.
Trans fats, like unsaturated fats, they have double band, but they don't bend because of the position of hydrogen molecules, and this kind of fats that we should avoid because they cause heart disease.
For the next type of lipids, we have boxes. They appear to be harder and less greasy compared to fats. They also have high melting point and exist as solid at room temperature.
They are found in animals and plants. They mostly use waxes so they can be waterproof. And did you know they are also found in our ear to protect the inner ear from dust particles?
We also have steroids, which can be found in testosterone and estradiol, which are hormones. They promote male genital organs, and secondary sex attributes. This kind of products is usually used by athletes to promote their muscle growth and enhance their athletic performance. But this is considered as unfair and cheating, hence banned from any sports. And in addition, usage of steroids can lead to serious consequences, such as having heart attacks and strokes.
And for the last types of lipids are phospholipids, which are from the disruption of cell membrane. This biomolecule allow water and other small molecule to slip through its gaps, making the membrane semi-permeable.
And that's all for today. Thank you. Thank you for listening, and we surely hope you learned something from today, especially about lipids and its types. But before we end, we have some little trivia for you.
Did you know that human brain contains 60% of fats? Yes, you heard it right. 60%. That's how important fats is in everybody's body. That's why. What are you waiting for? Tara at bumili ka na.